Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to give you my results of a 900-mile road trip fuel efficiency test on my 2024 GMC Sierra 1500 SLT. The fuel type for my truck is gas. It has a 5.3 V8 motor. The odometer reading is 16,879. Now, the reason I bring this up is because it typically takes about 10,000 miles to really break in a new motor, so this is well above that. The outside temperature could also be a factor. When I did this road trip test, the temperature was between 40 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. On the highway, I never took it over 70 miles an hour, even though there was some areas where you could go 75. I kept it at 70 to try to keep it as true to the miles per gallon fuel efficiency test as possible. And the last thing are some modifications. Now, these are going to be a little bit more varied depending on how you modify your truck. To begin with, I did install a K&N engine filter. I also have a roll and lock retractable bed cover. Now, these two and the third one, which is a Paradox muffler, they're all supposed to help out with your fuel efficiency. The K&N air filter should allow the motor to breathe better. The roll and lock should allow for less drag when you're driving down the street because your bed is covered. And the Paradox muffler is supposed to allow more of that air to go from the front to the back of the truck with at least amount of restriction as possible. So these are some of the modifications that I have on my truck. And let's see what happens when we do this 900-mile road trip test. Like I said, my starting odometer reading was 16,879. The first time I had to fuel up, the odometer reading was 17,169, which meant I drove about 289 miles. I did pump 16.9 gallons, and the average miles per gallon at that point was 17.03. The next time I fueled up, my miles driven was 316.8 miles. I pumped 16.210. And the average miles per gallon was 19.54. Now, this was a little interesting because the first one was pure highway miles. The second one, I reached my destination and we drove around. And this, we actually fueled on our way back from where we went. So this mileage, even though there was some city miles here, it actually improved a little bit. And the last one, the last fuel pump that the last time I had to fuel up, I went, my odometer reading was at 17,787. I did drive 301 miles on those gallons. I did pump 13.732, and the average there was 21.95, which is very interesting because I did come a different way, but I came back to pretty much the same spot. And if you notice, my fuel efficiencies got better and better the longer I drove the truck. This gave me a total amount of miles driven of 907 miles with the total amount of about almost 47 gallons pumped and an average mile per gallon of 19.5 miles per gallon. Now, these are my results with the modifications that I have. I will leave a link on the description below to if you guys wish to get some of these, like the K&N filter. I'll see if I can find the Paradox one, and also the bed cover, which did help with my gas mileage. But if you guys are seeing better gas mileage than I am, please let me know what you guys are doing. But for right now, this is what my truck is doing at this point in its engine life. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side.